How to make a Snapchat public profile? First of all, let's understand what is a Snapchat public profile means. Snapchatter aged 16 plus have a public profile by default, but there are a few differences between public profiles for 16 to 17 years old and for those Snapchatters aged 18 plus. No matter your age, if you would like to maintain a public profile, you should remember to follow community guidelines. Now let's go back to the home page and open the Snapchat app on your device and log into your account if you have not already. Once you are in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the profile page. Scroll down until you find Add to Spotlight and tap on it. Take a snap and from the bottom right, tap on the Send to button. Make sure you have already selected My Story Public option and then tap on arrow icon to send it. Now refresh the page and tap on Public Profile. If you open Insights, you can see that the uploaded story is now visible publicly. And that's it. This is how you can create a Snapchat public profile. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.